Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the past simple tense, one of the most important tenses in English. Let's start with a simple idea. The past simple is used to talk about finished actions in the past. Something started, something finished, and now it is done. For example, I watched a movie. She visited her friend. They played football. These actions are complete. They are not happening now. Now, instead of thinking about rules, imagine a timeline. You have the present moment right now, and the past is everything before that. When you use the past simple, you are talking about something behind you on that timeline. Let's take an example. Yesterday, you stayed at home and relaxed. You can say, I stayed at home. I watched television. I cooked dinner. All of these actions are finished. Now, how do we form the past simple? For regular verbs, it is easy. We usually add ed to the verb. Work becomes worked. Watch becomes watched. Play becomes played. But English also has irregular verbs, and these are different. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. See becomes saw. You need to learn these step by step, but do not worry, it gets easier with practice. Now let's look at negative sentences. To make the past simple negative, we use did not or did not in its short form. For example, I did not go. She did not understand. They did not finish the work. Here is something very important. After did not, the verb goes back to the base form. Not. Did not went. But. Did not go. Now questions. We use did at the beginning. Did you watch the movie? Did she call you? Did they arrive on time? Again, the verb stays in the base form. So here is a simple way to remember. The past simple is used for finished actions in the past. Before we finish, try this. Think about yesterday. What did you do? Maybe. I woke up early. I worked all day. I talked to a friend. If you can describe your day, you are already using the past simple. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.